Hey y'all, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. We are diving into the world of Web3, so if you're ready, let's dive in. Our Discord community is thriving, now at 3,674 members. It's the perfect time to join us if you haven't already. Over on social media, our spotlight shines on Farcaster frames. We've got a fresh video and blog post ready to guide you through creating interactive frames using IPFS. It's a must-watch for a hands-on learning experience. This week's highlight, empowered by Pinata, is LivePeer. LivePeer is an innovative Ethereum-based network transforming the world of video transcoding. Unlike traditional streaming services, LivePeer leverages excess computing power across a distributed network, offering a more efficient and cost-effective solution for video sharing. With video streaming dominating internet bandwidth, LivePeer's approach could revolutionize how content reaches viewers, ensuring seamless playback on any device. On the product front, we are thrilled to introduce our Pinata Hub on Farcaster. Hubs represent the backbone of Farcaster's distributed network, ensuring data is stored, validated, and accessible. By running a hub, you're directly contributing to the resilience and reach of Farcaster's decentralized social media platform. Go check ours out now, I'll put it in the description below. Staying on the topic of Farcaster, for tips and tricks, we will be talking about how to build an app that mints NFTs directly from Farcaster posts. The Web3 landscape is evolving, focusing on sustainable and diverse applications from decentralized social media platforms to blockchain gaming. Farcaster stands out by offering a unique twist on social media. Imagine preserving memorable posts as NFTs for posterity, trade, or sharing. Our tutorial walks you through creating PocketCast.cloud, an app that brings Farcaster casts into the tangible realm of NFTs, utilizing the efficiency of base blockchain and Crossmint's minting API for an effortlessly smooth experience. And that's it for this episode of Weekly Whimsy. If any of these insights sparked your curiosity, show some support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons down below. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!